This video is going to go through example 1a, negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. I want to solve by graphing and I'm going to check using factoring. So, since this is an equation equal to 0, and I don't like when my a is negative, actually, let's keep it. Let's just keep it from the beginning. So first thing I'm going to want to do is find my axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. X is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. So that's negative 4 over 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So x is equal to 1. So now I want the vertex. So I'm going to plug in a 1 wherever I see an x. So that's the y-coordinate of the vertex is equal to negative 2 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 6. So that's negative 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 8. So the vertex is 1, 8. So I'm going to come over here. 1, 8 is the vertex. And I'm going to draw in the axis of symmetry because that's going to help me when I want to get symmetric. Okay, so now looking at this, it also tells me the y-intercept is 6. And this agrees, and so if that's 1 from the axis of symmetry, since my a is negative, I expected it to be concave down. So now if I go over 1, I should now go down 2. 1, 2. And over 1, down 2. I'm doing that from the vertex. So if I go over 2, I would normally go down 4, but now I actually have to go down 2 times 4, or 8. So over 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that actually gets me to an x-intercept, which is 2 away from the axis of symmetry, so the other one is 1, 2 over. So connect that. And if I solved it by graphing, I would find that x is equal to negative 1, because it has an x-intercept of negative 1, and x is equal to 3. So let's check by factoring. So negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now a trick, and I'm actually going to show it, is I don't like negatives, but everything here is even. I'm going to divide every term by negative 2. Notice I'm also dividing this 0 by negative 2. And I'm going to get x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I want two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 3, but add together to give me negative 2. This is x minus 3, x plus 1. Now you can do the whole diamond box and everything, but I just did that in my head. So now I have to set each of these factors equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3, or x is equal to negative 1, which agrees with what I got when I factored it. Please take note, these are solutions. So x is equal to 3 was a solution, and these were factors. If x is equal to 3 is a solution, x minus 3 is a factor.